Good evening, student. In this video, we are going to learn about the next organelle of GERL system, that is lysosomes. Lysosomes are the very important organs in the cells and they are the part of the endomembrane system. They will work after the Golgi apparatus. So let's try to learn about the lysosomes, their types and functions. Lysosomes are having various names in the cells. They are called as suicidal bags, they are called as disposal units, they are called as recyclation center, they are also called as scavengers of cells, and finally they are also called as atom bombs inside the cells. As there are various names to lysosome, but actually the lysosomes will form by budding of the transphase of Golgi apparatus. So they are formed by budding of transphase of Golgi apparatus. As we have already discussed that the Golgi apparatus will have a saccular structure which is called as cisterna. With this phase is called as cis phase and this one is the transphase. And the terminal portion, this portion of this cisterna will bud to give rise to a vesicular structure which is also called as Golgian vacuole, and these Golgian vacuoles are actually nothing but the lysosomes. So these are the vesicular structures which are formed by the budding of terminal portion, last वाला जो portion है सिस्टर्ना का, उसके से बडिंग निकल के तैयार होगा अपना लाइसोसोम्स. Lysosomes were first discovered by Christian Douve D. Douve, and the term lysosome is given by Kaff. So a term lysosome was given by Navier-Kaff, and the discovery of lysosome is actually performed by Christian D. Douve, and the lysosomes are having various names inside the cell. Coming to the occurrence of lysosome, कि lysosome कौन-कौन से सेल में प्रेजेंट रहेंगे? Occurrence. Generally, lysosomes are present in all eukaryotic animal cells. So generally they are present in all the eukaryotic animal cell, but they are also present in some of the fungi and root tip cells. In case of plant, root tip cells of maize and cotton will show the presence of lysosomes. So occurrence wise, they are the widespread organelles, cell organelles in animal cells, eukaryotic cells, but they can be found in case of fungi and in some plants, and in plants they are found in the root tip cells of maize and cotton. Okay, now speaking about the structure of lysosomes, lysosomes Lysosomes are the smallest single membrane bound cell organelles found particularly in case of animal cell. So they are the smallest single membrane bound cell organelles in animal cells, and they are basically spherical or oval or circular structure, spherical, circular or oval structure, which contains 50 different types of hydrolytic enzymes collectively called as acid hydrolases. So inside the cells, they are circular or oval structure, they are very small single membrane bound structure, and they will have 50 different type of hydrolytic enzymes. There are 50 different types of hydrolytic enzyme. Hydrolytic means digesting enzymes. What is the meaning of term hydrolytic? It will have digesting enzymes collectively called as acid hydrolases. So all the enzymes present in lysosomes are collectively called as acid hydrolases, and these all the enzymes are active at acidic pH. Do remember this MCQ, this is very important MCQ. ये बहुत बार पहले भी पूछा जा चुका है कि लाइसोसोमल एंजाइम्स जो है वो कौन से पीएच पे काम करते हैं, तो दे विल एक्ट ऑन एसिडिक pH. These enzymes are active at acidic pH. This is the most important MCQ which comes on lysosome. So the marker enzyme for lysosomal activity, ये भी एक MCQ बनता है कि कौन सा enzyme is the marker enzyme for lysosomal activity. A marker enzyme is acid phosphatase. Acid phosphatase, increased presence of acid phosphatase will show a significant lysosomal activity inside the cell. So this is a marker enzyme for lysosomal activity, that is acid phosphatases, and this acidic condition is maintained inside the lysosome by actively pumping in the hydrogen ions by this lysosomal membrane. So we have said that the lysosomes are actually the terminal buds coming out of the transphase of Golgi apparatus, and inside the Golgi apparatus there are various enzymes which are actually packed into the lysosomes. There are 50 types of hydrolytic enzymes. Hydrolytic means digesting. They are capable of digesting almost everything. They can digest carbohydrates, proteins, lipids and nucleic acid also. So almost all the things they are capable to digest. These enzymes which are present in the lysosomes are categorized in actually 4 different groups. Number 1, we are having proteases. Number 2, we are having sulfatases. Number 3, acid phosphatases. And number 4, ribonucleases or deoxyribonucleases. So these are the 4 categories of enzymes which are basically present in lysosome. Now lysosome also shows you structural polymorphism. Okay, so there are 4 different type of lysosomes which are found in case of cells. So let's try to learn one by one. Okay.